I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again, now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel and another clean with me. Today we're tackling my messy house and we are going ahead starting out here in the bathroom. There is tons of transformations in today's video, so buckle up, clean along with me in today's video, or sit back and enjoy a coffee and get ready to get motivated to tackle your mess.
Wanted to go as far as we ever could. So many years have passed, but even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything.
So this is going to be kind of like a pre-spring clean with me. We are going to be doing a little bit of deep cleaning that is part of my spring cleaning as well. So kind of a little mix match of just tidying up around the house, getting some things done, and also tackling those nitty-gritty areas. So I am going to go ahead and use some bleach in today's video. I do like to really disinfect and make sure that things are clean, especially in the bathroom here, probably like twice a month, I would say. It's definitely not an everyday thing, but I definitely do it at least bi-weekly, and especially during the spring when things are getting a little bit muddier and we're just bringing in more germs and stuff like that. I do like to disinfect more often.
I would do it again if you say the word. So many years have passed, but even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wishing well, I wish I could feel it again.
So if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here again with me today. I'm so grateful that you are here. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Brianne, and here on my channel you're going to find a ton of lifestyle content, but my main focus is on cleaning and homemaking motivation. Really and truly just a millennial mama over here navigating life through motherhood of two little girls, as well as being a homemaker, a wife, and all the things. And I hope that you can leave my channel feeling inspired, motivated, and just ready to tackle your mess. And I really and truly hope that you can find joy in those mundane tasks with watching my videos. So if that is the type of content and the motivation and just kind of feel, I guess, the vibe that you want and you enjoy, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. We would love to have you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. It really does help out my channel and lets me know that you guys love cleaning motivation. So I did have to go ahead and start refilling some of these jars and just organize a little bit on that top shelf of my bathroom. It did get a little bit out of control, so I wanted to go ahead and do that. When I'm spring cleaning, I also try and like declutter and organize as well as I'm kind of going through, and then again really tackling those deep cleaning areas. But I would love to know what spring cleaning means to you. Go ahead and let me know down below. And if you are struggling with what to like clean, how to clean, the basics of it, all the things, I do actually have a spring cleaning workbook that you can get. I will have a link to that down below in the description, so make sure that you go ahead and check that out. It is pretty epic, and I also share some natural DIY cleaning recipes. So as you can see, we just went ahead and tidied up in the entryway there, and here is my table. It is out of control. My laptop is not always on my table, but today it was, as I was actually editing, like finishing editing up my last video that you had saw. So I had to go ahead and just really tidy this up quickly, and then make sure that you stick around as I'm going to be doing a lot of deep cleaning in the living room, and so stay tuned for that a little bit later on in the video. So if you're wondering what those candles are doing, we're gonna come back to that. But first, I had to show you my impulse buy at the grocery store, which was my Diva cup. Go ahead and let me know down below if you use one of these. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I have mixed feelings. If you follow me over on Instagram, maybe I'll get into that story a little bit later in the video. But back to the candles. Those are sitting there because that's just real life, really and truly. I have big plans for those candles and I can't wait to share what I have planned. I have a tablescape that I'm really excited about, but there's a couple items that I still need that I can't find anywhere. So I might have to go ahead and order them online and see what we can do. I also have yet to actually pull out my decor. And so I know spring obviously is around the corner, Easter is around the corner, and I will be decorating a little bit for both. I do like to keep my decor very minimal though, so I'm not like, you know, totally over the top, but I do have big plans for those candles and my tablescape, which I am so excited to share with you guys. So stay tuned for that. But we are just going ahead and wiping down the fireplace. This is something that I haven't done in a really long time, and as you saw, there was a ton of fingerprints. So we're just moving through the living room and wiping all of the surfaces down before we get into some of the deep cleaning here.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you.
Okay, so I have to tell you the Diva cup story. If you don't follow me over on Instagram, you wouldn't know. I do share a little bit more over there. It's like just a little bit more, you know, intimate, I guess, so to speak. More of my day-to-day life, some cleaning tips, motivation, all that kind of fun stuff over there as well. So make sure you follow me over there. But we got into the hot topic of the Diva cup, which, oh, it was hilarious. I was howling at the conversations I was having through my DMs. I just honestly love chatting with you guys. And so don't ever hesitate to reach out to me. I love, love, love chatting with you guys in my DMs and in the comment section and all the things. But that's one reason I do love Instagram, is it does have the chat where I can talk with you guys one-on-one, just again, a little bit more intimate. But anyway, back to the Diva cup. So let me know down below if you use one or not. I had got one and I like finally built up the courage to get it because I've been really nervous to do it. And then I finally built up the courage and I was so excited about it. And then someone told me that it can lead to like prolapse if you don't release the suction. And I freaked out. I'm not gonna lie, I totally panicked. I was terrified. My husband was like, get it out now. I was freaking out. And so I was like, if it gets stuck up there, like you're gonna have to go in there. My husband and I were laughing about it because that's the type of humor that I have, but maybe this is TMI, whatever. So yeah, that's kind of my story. Obviously it did not happen. I think it's very rare to happen. Someone was just looking out for me, but like that's kind of scary. So I don't know, I haven't used it since. I don't know if I will use it. I'll probably use it again. I'll build up the courage, but let me know if that has happened to you or like what your thoughts are on it. It's pretty crazy, but anyway, that's my story. Now, as you can see, I am vacuuming. I just wanted to point out here, I do vacuum my vents. As you can see, lots of dust and dog hair kind of gets settled in there. So I do take my vacuum and make sure that I get a really good deep clean in there. And now we are just going ahead and moving on and vacuuming the living room area, and we are going to tackle the couch as well. So you'll notice I just vacuumed like all the crevices and stuff. I did not actually pull the couch out. As fun fact, we just moved this couch back here about a week ago. So we did just rearrange, and I did just vacuum behind the couches and stuff. So I didn't do that in the video, but that is part of my spring cleaning normally. Now I'm going ahead and spraying the couch using this leather cleaner, and I'm going to go ahead and clean the couch just to really help polish and freshen it up.
Then once to show you my intention, my brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Though I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitment of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out.
All right, we are now gonna go ahead and mop the house here using some pine sol to again disinfect. So we're gonna go ahead and mop the whole main floor.
I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. 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 Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I can show you. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go and say when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and you got lots of cleaning motivation. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. We would love to have you join us, and we will see you guys in my next video for lots of motivation. Bye.
I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow, and the music was so loud, didn't catch your name on the death crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag.